black line.
It's amazing what a little torque can do.
Alright, MLI is installed for M19.
Copy, Kate. You know, it looked like you weren't working that hard. I seem to remember Ike giving it all he had.
He only had a ratchet wrench. I got a locker moment on me.
Small detail.
And we now have confirmation of installation. Both bolts were turned and fully installed for the lower struts. Soichi Noguchi will head to the mid-strut clevis for the collar bolts.
Once you're complete with the MLI there and get your wrench stowed, you can go up to the right side mid-strut and prepare that work area. Just pull back the MLI for Soichi just to expedite.
Okay, that sounds good. And you get the ratchet wrench, or the torque wrench stowed.
Copy.
Kate Rubens will close the MLI, or the multi-layer insulation, around the lower structures that she just completed.
Is there any chance we're using this on the mid-struts?
Checking, Kate. Kate, negative. No scenario where we would need the torque wrench for the mid-struts.
Okay.
Develop. And Kate, as you're stowing the torque wrench, if you can look for PGT serial number 8 in the ORU bag and make sure that it is off OFF.
Yeah, copy will do.